Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Steam, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the world of digital purchases, buying games on Steam can be made even easier with PayPal. So, ready to learn how? Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to have your Steam app open. If you haven't already, make sure it's installed on your device and then launch it. This is where the magic begins. Once you have Steam open, the next step is to log in. You can find the login button on the top right corner of your screen. Now, enter your account name and password carefully. It's important to ensure your login details are correct to avoid any inconvenience. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your Steam homepage. From here, navigate to your profile name, located on the top right corner as well. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Account Details. Within the Account Details page, you'll see an option to add a payment method. Go ahead and click on Add a Payment Method to this account. This step is crucial for setting up PayPal as your preferred payment method on Steam. Next, you'll be presented with a list of payment options. This is where you will select PayPal as your payment method. Simply click on PayPal, then proceed by clicking the Continue button. Now, if you wish to purchase a game immediately, head over to the Steam Store. On the store page, browse for a game you'd like to purchase. Once you've made your choice, click on the game and you'll be directed to its page. Here, look for the Add to Cart button and click it to add the game to your shopping cart. After adding the game, navigate to View My Cart. This will show you all the items you've selected for purchase. From there, click on Continue to Payment, which will bring you to the final steps of your purchase journey. When you reach the payment portal, you'll once again need to select PayPal as your payment method to confirm your choice. Once selected, click Continue. At this point, you'll be directed to PayPal's secure checkout page to complete your transaction. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, carefully fill in any required details, and finalize your payment with PayPal with just a few clicks. And that's it! That's how you set up and use PayPal for your Steam purchases. As you can see, the process is simple, safe, and efficient. Remember, using PayPal offers added security and convenience, making your gaming experience on Steam smoother and more enjoyable than ever. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and happy gaming!